Soton gumikan kay musulod ka or musuhot in Bisaya term. So karon ma'am natin pagka Sokoto na 45 meters iya katasyon, din ang kahawagon is 20 meters. Din ang Soton po pasulod lang natin possible during low tide. Gumikan kay kung mag-high tide ang dagat mag-level sa. So kung mag-picture mo or video is better na butangan na lang ang flash.
Flash nice.
Atin ma'am, pwede ba ako na lang mag-video ninyo ma'am?
Ah, sige sir. Okay ra gyud
Para
sir.
mo yung pang-lista.
Bye.
Alright, picture.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. One more Spanish character. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, yeah. And welcome to the main area of Soton. So we are now entering the main area of Soton. So here in main area of Soton, we have 70 hectares. Then it composed of 7 islets in the center. So in 7 islets, there's one islet that composed of our 2 activities, but in all we have our 3 major activities. So our first activity right now is the jellyfish. So we can slawi ang gumitan with land snakes na or harvest here. And the second is the Habukan Cove or underground cove swimming pool. The water inside the cove is green luminous water. And the last is the diving cave. So dito tayo sulod sa cave mag-backline, din mag-climbing, din ato ang exit is jump in 12 to 15 feet. So dito sa right side, makita na ito ang isa lang size na mura siyang iis sa kabayo. So mapuna na mo dirigin ng market, gumikan kaya ang ship diri sa butong side by side is the same. And also, ang atong entrance mama or ito yung atong exit. That's why kung makita natin natin sa kabayo, so it means doon na sa yes, entrance or exit. So picturean gapon muna ako ma'am ato na i-background ma'am.